If you are looking for a great way to charge your phone on the go without having to worry about any of the wires that you have to take with you, you're going to absolutely love this. This is a MagSafe power bank. So how this works is real simple. You literally just put it on the back of your phone just like this. It sticks right there. You'll see it is charging up. Really, really like this a lot. You do not have to worry about having a cord with you or any charger like that, which is nice. This is wireless, but it also has a USB-C over here, and you could use this as a normal power bank if you wanted to. So you just put a USB-C cord in here and then put the other side of it into a USB-C device, and that will get charged up for you. So right over here, you'll see this is how we're going to turn it on or off right over here. So we hit that right over there. We're going to see over here, that's how many bars we have lit up. So this only has 2 lit up. You have a total of 5. So you can always see how many bars you have. Really like this a lot. I do travel a lot, so it's great just to throw in my bag. I don't have to worry about rummaging through wires or anything like that. Super lightweight, easy to travel with. So if you're looking for a great way to charge your phone without any of the wires or anything like that, definitely check this out. And a huge thanks to the brand for sending this over so I could do this review.